Here we are going to discuss how to conduct a chi-square test for no association or chi-square test for independence using an online calculator. That's to test hypothesis number 7. The research question is there a relation between, or is there an association between age and attitude? So the null is bound to say no association, and the alternative must say there is an association. So let's see who is correct. So let's identify the variables in the questionnaire that can be obtained in Google Forms. So we have age, here are the categories, and attitude, here are the categories. That's categorical data. And to access the data, now you go to responses, you can click on sheets or you can download a CSV format Excel. We clicked on view as sheets, and here we have access to the data, and we copied and pasted the data now in a separate spreadsheet so that we can work with it. So here you have your age and here you have your attitude. Now we need to create a contingency table. From the research I made, we need to create a contingency table. The majority of the free online software requires that your data is presented in the form of a contingency table. So let us do that. The categories for age, where can we find this? We can find that here because we have already created a frequency distribution for age. These are the categories. So we can use this to help us formulate the column variable for age, and the row variable will be for attitude. The categories we have are do not like, hate, like, and love. Okay, so hate, like, love, do not like, hate, do not like and love, hate, do not like and love. Yeah, that's very good. Going back. So we have hate, do not like, and love. So it doesn't matter who you make row or column variable, it does not really matter. Now we have to count how many between 16 and 17 and hate. That's why we need to copy the data straight from the original spreadsheet so that the contingency table will not compromise. How many between 8 and 19 and said hate? So we can start counting. For example, for this row, we can even color code it to make sure that it was used already. 18 and 19 and like. So that's one already. Okay. 18 and 9. No, 18 and 19, not 16. Be very careful. 18 and 19. Look for 18 and 19 and like. That's one already. 16 and 17 and like. 16 and 17 and like. So that's another one there. 20 and 21 and like. 20 and 21, between the ages of 20 and 21 and like. So that's one so far. And we have to do that for all the orders. So it's a good thing we get a 20 and 21 and like to show that that's another 20 and 21 and like. So we've got one already, so we change that to 2. Because we are counting, these are the frequencies. So we have counted 4 so far. 1, 1, and 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll continue like that. 18 and 19 and like. So there's another 18 and 19 and like. 18 and 19 and like. So that's 2 of them. Now we are going to continue with that for all 39 pairs. We just realized that we have neutrals, 16 and 17 are neutral. So we have to add that. These are for like. So let's put this there for like. And 16 and 17 are neutral with for 1. So this category 4, attitude was missed out. 24 and 25 are neutral between the ages of 24 and 25, and that person is neutral. So let's continue. There's another 21, 20 to 21 unlike. So that's 3 already. So here's our contingency table. Completed. As you can see, there are some rows that has practically no values and some columns with practically no value. So I think we can restrict to those 2 rows and columns because there's a clause in the contingency table, G-square test, whereby any cell that contains less than 5 that deems to be a red flag. Let us see what our online calculator says. So let's use social science statistics for change. And our categories are row, hate, do not like, neutral, like, and love. And our column categories, we just copy and paste our ages. Now I realized there was a row that was left out, but there's only 1, 2 values in there, so I don't think that should make a difference. And there's only 1 value for it. But let's see what can be done, what it will do. So 22 to 21, that 20 to 21, and hate is 2. Right. So do not like now. We have a 2 and a 1, 18 to 19 and above 25. A 2 and a 1. For neutral, we've got a 6, 9, 1 skip, and then a 2 and a 1. 6, 9, 1 skip, and a 2 and a 1. 6, 9, 1. Skip, and a 2 and a 1. For like 4, 5, 3, 2. 4, 5, 3, 2. 4, 5, 3, and 2. And for love, we've got only one for love. And that is for 20 to 21. And let's calculate. Next, error, please ensure your values into all available. So there are values that are not, also, so some cells are not empty, so it creates a red light, it does not proceed. So we have to use these values here, where you have a nice complete contingency table with neutral like 18, 19, and 20 to 21. So as we suspected, the program would have given difficulties for empty cells, so it's between neutral and like 16 to 17 to 20 to 21. 6, 4, 9, 5, 1, and 3. 6, 4, 9, 5, 1, and 3. Next. And we're using 0.05. So the for significance levels, so it is clear to calculate the chi-square. So we get a chi-square test statistic of 2.0125 and a p-value of 0.36. So we are not rejecting the null. So it appears that there is no significant difference. There's no association because that's what the null is saying. And here it says how to report the chi-square result. But in the meantime, let's copy our And basically, that's what it wants. Here's the report as it stated here. So to complete the report, let us state our null hypothesis. That is saying that there is no association between age and attitude towards. And the null is saying, the alternative is saying that there is an association. Our p-value, we got our p-value to be 0.365. Let's copy this down. Since the p-value is 0.365587, which is greater than the significance level, of 0.05, the null hypothesis is not rejected because we're applying a p-value approach. Hence, the result is not significant. Okay, so consequently, there is no association, there's no significant association between age and attitude towards marks. So in terms of other statistics, let's see what can be included, but that's basically suffice. Out of curiosity, I'm using the statistics kingdom. This is neutral and like. And just to speed things up, this is from 16 to 18 to and 22. Calculate. Let's see what it says. And gives us a p-value. For the p-value, I'm not saying the p-value. 0.3656. Again, we are not rejecting error because this is greater than the significance level. So here you have it, choose for test for independence using an online calculator. You must construct the contingency table before you go towards the calculator.